All right, so today we're looking at the watch that I ordered. That was I received the email that this was held up in shipping due to the what did he say? The Wuhan pneumonia, otherwise known as coronavirus or COVID-19. Anyway, this is the 1963 official Seagull watch reissue mechanical chronograph. That's what it was called on the eBay listing, otherwise known as the Seagull 1963 chronograph. So let's get out of the box here. It's a pretty decent cardboard box. Has the leather strap here, genuine leather. Some kind of warranty and instruction card, which don't do me any good in I guess Mandarin there. Well, that's kind of cool. So this one has the sapphire crystal. I have a different version of this with the acrylic crystal. Yeah, so this also has the display case back. So let's wind it up here. Oh, sorry, there's still more of the protective cover on there. I'm thinking this doesn't have any air coating to it. Looks like the pusher must have already been engaged. So I'll wind it up a few times here. I might have, no, I'm afraid I might have maxed it out. I'm always worried about over torquing these and breaking something on the inside. It's got some kind of protective weird plastic on here. I guess I'll fish the rest of that off later. But anyway, it has a engraved crown there. Let's go over the specs here. So it has 21 joules, 21,600 beat rate, 45-hour power reserve. Sorry, got plastic on the crystal there. 45-hour power reserve. Now lug to lug measurement is 47 millimeter. So that's from here to here. Some people call it lug tip to lug tip or wingspan. 38 millimeter diameter. So it's a smaller watch, but the lug to lug kind of makes up for that. Fills up the wrist a little better, a little more. 13 and a half thick. That's without the NATO strap, obviously. And then the lug width is 18 millimeter. So that would be your strap size. 316L stainless steel. It has the ST1901 mechanical movement. And the water resistance on this is 30 meter water resistant. So that's basically just washing your hands, or maybe if you're outside in the rain. Let me start this. So you have your running seconds on the left sub dial here. And this is your chronograph seconds hand that I just engaged. And then this guy here would be your, see, what is that, 30-minute countdown. So you can time things for up to 30 minutes. And this watch was under $200 on eBay. So I think it's a pretty good deal with the sapphire crystal. Let's take a look at the back of it here. I mean, I think it's a good deal for a mechanical chronograph. So here's the close in on the movement. It's a nice decorated movement. Also, it does have a column wheel, so I think it's a good deal for a column wheel chronograph. See if it, yep, it's gone over a minute there. So you can see the minute sub dial is indicating 1 minute now of elapsed time. The hands are blue. I don't know if those are actually heat blued or just if that's just a paint. I would say probably at this price is paint. The indices are gold. There's a star there, applied star. There's no loom to speak of on this. Then you have some Chinese characters down there at the just above the 6. So let me stop this, and we'll see how the movement works. And then reset. So let's see how that looks on the back here. So this lever engaged the wheel there in the middle, the gear in the middle. You stop and reset it. Oh, so the gear in the middle doesn't move, but this one over here moves, which will then start turning that center seconds. I'm doing something right here. There we go. Must have been pushing the reset button. So we'll stop it, and then we'll reset it. So one more time, and then I have to figure out which way this needle strap goes on, and I'll put it on my wrist. So let's see how fast that second hand will snap back. Yeah, that's nice and crisp. I'm still wearing this guy. We'll do 1 week review in a couple days here. So let's see if I can figure out how to put this thing back on. Looks about right. I would prefer a one-piece strap. I don't really get the point of having these keepers here. I mean, the watch head isn't really going to move on that strap, but that's the style. Oh, let me get this off camera for a minute. Yeah, this NATO is very stiff. But what do you expect for $200? Tuck this back under here. I may try and purchase some different NATO straps and play around with the colors on this. So let me zoom out here. So the lug-to-lug is a bit long for 38mm case size, but I think it looks good. It is a little tall for the case size. So what did I say it was? This 13.5 thick. And then if you add on the NATO strap there, it has a bit more thickness to it. Let me get my calipers out and I'll measure how thick this NATO strap is. So call it a millimeter. So 2, that's 15.5. Actually, what am I doing? I can just measure it here, but it's got to be 15.5 thick. Okay, I'm getting more than that. Why is that? Okay, so 14.1. Maybe because the crystal has a little bit of dome to it. So anyway, it's almost 17 millimeter thick with that needle strap on there. So just for the fun of it, I will shine a UV flashlight on it. I know there's no lume on it, but let's see what it looks like. Anyway, that'll do it for now. Thanks for watching.